So hi and hello. Welcome to our channel named Algo Exploration. My name is Sami and today we will analyze the time complexity of power of an element. So firstly we will see what is divide, conquer and combine, and then we will construct the recurrence relation from this pseudocode, and after that we will analyze the time complexity. So this is a small problem. This is the divide part. This is the conquer part, and this is the combine part. So small problem will take order of 1 time because it contains no loop. Divide will take order of 1 because it is actually dividing, that's it. Conquer will take t of n by 2 because let's say this take t of n time. So conquered part will take t of n by 2, and combined part will also take order of 1 because it is actually multiplication only. Now the recurrence relation to find the time complexity of this given pseudocode will be t of n equals to t of n by 2 plus order of 1 plus order of 1. This time is for divide and this time is for combine. Now we can replace this term with c, therefore t of n equals to t of n by 2 plus c. Now this is a cost for divide and combine only at first level. Let's find the time complexity by using substitution method. For you guys, it's a homework that find the time complexity using master theorem. So let's denote this equation as equation 1. T of n by 2 equals to t of n by 2 square plus c. T of n by 2 square will be t of n by 2 cube plus c. Now this will be second equation and this will be third equation. Now we will substitute the value of t of n by 2 square, that is this, into this part. So it will be t of n by 2 equals to t of n by 2 cube plus c plus c. Similarly, we will substitute this part into this because t of n by 2, t of n by 2. Now that will be t of n equals to t of n by 2 cube plus c plus c plus c. Now if we do this for k number of times, this will be t of n equals to t of n by 2 raised to k plus k into c. Now we have to eliminate this part, so let's put n by 2 raised to k as 1 because of the termination condition. So the value of k will be log n base 2. Now we will substitute the value of k in this equation. So it will be t of n equals to, the value of this will be 1 plus log 2n log n base 2 into c. Now the dominant term is this one, so the time complexity will be order of log n base 2. So this is the time complexity of this pseudocode, order of log n base 2. Now here is a homework for you that you have to find the multiplication complexity of this pseudocode. So thank you.